Hello, Thiago Soto from Quovis. We're going to follow with a video series around the Sippo WAC, and today we are going to talk about interconnection with IMS. As you can see in this slide, well, not sure if all of you are familiar with this. What you need to know is the WAC. You can see this element as a web server that hosts the different WebRTC applications. Here we are going to receive requests, HTTP requests from browsers. We are going to help them to download the JavaScript code, but as you can see here, we have something that we call Sippo connectors and a service API. This API and these connectors have been designed and implemented to help in the interconnection with existing elements of a telco or an enterprise. In the case of a telco, for instance, we have some connectors with well-known vendors of HSS solutions for authentication. In the case of the service API, we were working with also vendors and system integrators of OSS and BSS for operation and building. As you can see here, we always need a third-party WebRTC gateway vendor to is the element that is going to deal with real-time traffic. So the WAC is not working with signaling on media here. And as you probably know, moving to the next slide, WebRTC doesn't state anything for signaling. So different vendors have adopted different signaling protocols. That's the case of Sippo WebSockets, REST APIs, JSON, and others. So what we have done using the WAC is, as we know which is the gateway that you are going to use, we have implemented different stacks, and we can adapt the application to work with the gateway that you are going to use. So in this case, we can say that we are abstracting all the complexity behind the bundles behind signaling. But probably the most important is this slide. Some of you probably know that the 3GPP is a standardization body that is defining the standard architecture for IMS. They had a working group with this release, 23701, that has defined a standard architecture for well, to extend to the web existing IMX services and to create well, new WebRTC based solutions that can be fully connected with the IMS. In this case, they have defined probably three key elements: the IMS gateway, that's one of the vendors that I mentioned before, but two different elements: the WebRTC web server function, the WebRTC authentication function with different interfaces and different capabilities, and the Sippo WAC is playing the role of these two elements. In fact, we think that we are the first in the industry to support this. So you can see the WAC as the WWSF and the WAF together with the WebRTC applications of Sippo or third parties that could be the WebRTC IMS client that you can see here. So here, this is explaining all you need to, in case you have an IMS network, to have WebRTC interoperability, the WAC and the IMS gateway that can support these functionalities. I think that that's all from our side for today. So do not hesitate to get in contact with us. We have a lot of different collaterals, different documents that explain this interoperability. We will be more than happy to share our views on this. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.